Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to talk about a different car. We have, well, maybe you have seen that on the channel before, but we are talking about our friend's MK4 Supra, which is getting some upgrades that you can see here, or rather some stuff rebuilt and some upgrades along the way. So if you have seen this video right here,
drop it.
Then you might have known the car before, or then you might know the car, and yeah, it is getting a new intake manifold, and for that we did some stuff such as upgrading the intercooler piping, and also we took off the turbo, upgraded the wastegate to a genuine Tial one to get better boost control and a more reliable boost control. Those eBay units can be kind of wonky depending on what you get, but now that there's a proper one in there, it should be reliable. The next thing that was done was we took off the turbo and let it check by our friends over at Turbo Lab here in Greece. So special thanks goes out to them because they helped us out massively with this. And yeah, if you need any turbo rebuild done or turbo upgrades in Europe or in Southern Europe, be sure to hit them up, and they will of course hook you up with anything you need. They are also a supplier of Pulsar turbos, which we run in our cars as well, and they work very well for an affordable price. Next thing we did was upgrade the intake manifold. The stock Supra intake manifold or 2JZ GTE intake manifolds are pretty good and can work up to, let's say, 1000 horsepower or so, but they tend to fall off in efficiency up there because first of all, the runners are pretty small, and also the stock throttle body has a relatively small size. So it is recommended above like 800 horsepower, where we really want to be, to upgrade the intake manifold, which we did. We were able to get a Hypertune manifold. This is a genuine Hypertune manifold, so not a Chinese copy or anything. And this should give us a bit more efficiency, so to get the same power at less boost, or maybe more power. Like, it's not going to be a huge difference, maybe like 50-60 horsepower, but at the same boost pressure. And in this case, we used a 100mm outer diameter throttle body. So we upgraded also the intercooler piping to 3.5 inch from 3 inch, which most cars use, or most Supras or JZs use, to the bigger size from the intercooler outlet to the throttle body. And also here, another thanks goes out to Turbo Lab because they helped us out with stripping the green paint that was on this yeah, redoing it with a smooth aluminum raw finish. So thanks for that also. And now you're gonna see the process of rebuilding the car, kind of. And in the next video, we'll actually be putting the car on the dyno and retuning it, because obviously it's gonna change the tune somewhat. And yeah, then we'll see how much power it will actually make. So as for now, I'll leave you with that, and see you next time. Bye. Down,
Oh, you make me feel it. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. You say
Ja, spring, lass anspringen. Dein Krümmer ist undicht. Was ich meine?